here. Today, I'm in the McDonald's in the parking lot, about to go through the drive-thru. And this is the parking lot challenge. One chick challenge.
Would you like to try any Chinese wings?
No, thank you. Here, can I do? I need a piece of chicken nuggets. I need two piece. I need, and then one piece. One.
So you want a 720 and 1
Yes, 150 total.
What kind of sauce?
Can I just get like a whole bag with sauce, bags, with bag of sauce, with bags, chicken sauce, or just a mixture of bags? Okay.
Anything else?
That's it.
So just a bunch of nuggets, right?
Just a whole bunch nuggets, because I'm hungry.
Okay, that's enough of that. I don't know anything about
Bunch nuggets.
or
Nuggets.
Okay. No, I love it. Thank you. You too. The order was too big.